Is it okay now? When to start? Yeah, yeah. Yeah, students, sorry, there is some technical glitch. So no worries. We will start uh, our class within very few minutes. Let some other students also get joined. And before that, could you please introduce yourself? Where are you from? Hi, hello. I am Saiteja. I am from so and so. I am studying in this college. And why you are interested to get here? Yeah, could you please introduce yourself in chat? Yeah, hi Abdul. Hi Abdul. Hi, hello. Hi, Sayonara. Hi, hello. Um, Hi, how are you? Hello. Yeah, you people have been waiting for the long time to get the class started. So yeah, we are about to start our class. Like you people are here for bootcamp training for the upcoming 7 days. Yeah, I am very much happy to see you people here. So, hearty welcome to the bootcamp conducted by Dexterity Company. So, I would like to tell something unique and specific about our company. When we compare to the other companies, like we have n number of companies outside which will provide the training and mentorship regarding various software technologies around, and yeah, they will provide internships and all the same we do. But what makes us unique from others is we will make students very comfortable and friendly with respect to the economic aspects. Like we are a very economic friendly, and tier 3 college students and tier 4 college students can also able to afford the fee structure what we are going to offer. That makes us very much unique. So I am very happy that you people are here. And so what are the benefits of this bootcamp training is this bootcamp training will go for 7 continuous days starting from today. So likewise, the same time 1 to 1.5 hours we will be having daily session on JavaScript, Node.js, and HTML, CSS, web development technologies, JavaScript programming, and different kinds of programming techniques and web technologies we will be able to cover in this program. So I am here to discuss today the basic part. Don't panic like that. Today only we are learning everything, and today itself we are gaining everything. It's not like that. This is just a kind of basic class. Okay, so today I will give some introduction about what is web technology and what are web services and all, what about web pages, and how DevOps and cloud computed or integrated with these things and all I will cover in this section. And coming to the benefits, what you will get through this bootcamp is you will be getting 3 certificates from Dexterity Company. One is from the Dexterity Company, and second one is the certificate of your participation. And the third one is you will be able to get the best participation and outstanding performance certificate also through this. So please make sure that you attend the session continuously and gain knowledge, and that will be useful very much in your career itself. So this is all about this. And so before getting into this, I will share you one link so that you can keep attendance over there. Yeah, before we end this section, I will share you the attendance form. In meanwhile, also you can go through that. Yeah, coming to the specification of this bootcamp is so today we will be discussing about the web technology and web development and all. So what is web technology? Coming to the web, we all know web is in the sense like the things what we apply and process on internet. Likewise, whenever, for example, we want something like amazon.com, or flipkart.com. So this is a kind of web page. See, we are all seeing here, right? So this is all the web page, and this is the Flipkart website. This is all run through internet. So when we say it is an web technology, the technology which deals with the application and development of a process which runs on internet. So this and all runs under internet. And when it comes to the development, so this is all about web. Any web pages or websites or web applications, these are all come together called as web. World Wide Web, www.com. We have been listening these things from our childhood. So what is web development? That is creating web technology, creating web pages, websites, and publishing those websites, maintaining those websites, monitoring those websites, and operating those websites. These are all come under development part. So this is completely called as web development. So what are the two different things comes under web technology is front end and back end. So what is front end and back end? For example, you go to a movie theater. Okay, let me say recently or some other day you go to the movie theater. Whenever we go to a movie, we will see hero will be dancing, fighting, and there will be dancing duets between hero and heroine. There will be a good screenplay, good graphics, good VFX and all. This is all what we see and what we hear. Okay, likewise, whatever we see and interact with the user, that is called as front end. For example, let me show you the same Flipkart page. Here we are seeing grocery, mobile, fashion, electronics, home and furniture, appliances, travel, top offers, beauty, two-wheelers, and you can see the laptop pictures, mobile pictures. So lot of things. There is a cart option here. So menu, settings, and different kinds of things available in this website, and what are the different categories those are available, and the user interface, the graphical phase, and everything, UI, UX, everything will comes in the picture. So what user is able to interact, what user is able to see, what user is able to get the things, and what the user is able to see directly, it is called as front end. So what is a back end? Again, you go to the movie, right? You see only the hero, heroine, villains, and other actors and screenplay and all. Behind that, there is lot of work happens. Like behind camera, there will be editors, there will be set boys, there will be dance masters, choreographers, there will be like cameramans. Lot of technical unit will be there. Okay, lot of technical unit will be there that we cannot see. We don't know those people. We know only actors who are playing on the screen, but we don't know so many people who are working back. That is called backend. The best example for backend. For example, we are seeing Amazon website here now. This and all we see, but to maintain this data. So whenever I click on mobile, we will see lot of different mobile companies displaying and different types of specification for each mobile, their price, their memory status, their pricing and all we can see here. So this and all can be stored in a particular data. This and all should be stored in a particular data. This and all should be stored in a particular server. That is all handled by server side. That is called as backend technology. User cannot see the backend technology. That is all run by the server side department and the operations team and the people who are working towards server. They will deal the everything regarding data creation, data manipulation, data update, and everything they will handle. So server side technology and server side things are completely comes under backend technology. So we have learned difference between front end technology and backend technology. So now coming to front end technology. When it is front end technology, four different things will come in picture. So the first one is HTML. HTML. So what is HTML? HTML is hypertext language, hyperlink language. So what is the benefits of this HTML language is, this is like a skeleton and structure of a web page or web application or a web technology. Likewise, our body is having particular structure, right? Our body is having particular structure. Like we have bones, we have muscles, and we have what you call different kinds of things will together make our body. For our body to be in a particular shape, there should be a skeleton. HTML is also like a skeleton. So it is having hashtags in between. For example, I will make the usage of internet to explain you better. So just click on the HTML. See, here you can see clearly HTML. This is a hypertext language. So this is the structure. It will be the title, head and body will be there in between the arrows. Okay, just for example I am showing. So this is all the skeleton part. And let me know if you see anytime a skeleton either in a movie or outside, will you get scared or not? Definitely you will get scared. Definitely. There will be no doubt in this. Why? Because if you see skeleton, that will get scared. So whenever a skeleton is covered with skin and whenever our skin is covered with clothes and all, that will be very attractive. The human body and a particular person will be very attractive. For that, one other thing will come in picture, that is CSS, cascading styling sheets. So what are the benefits of this cascading styling sheets is, this will add some beauty to the particular website. How? Let me take an example. Again, go through the Amazon app. Okay. So this is all website, right? The skeleton, like HTML structure, it is like left side there should be grocery, right side there would be mobile, and top of the page there should be login button and cart, more button should be there, and below those the things like TVs, mobile should get displayed. This is the structure. Whenever CSS comes in picture, the beautification will get added. Like the top part of this should get covered with blue background, and down part should get covered with white background. And for groceries, some these two different things should get displayed for the user purpose. And the UI part should be like this, and the graphical part should be like this, such that the page will get very attractive. The page will get like what you call beautification. So you are very clear now. Web technology deals with two different categories. One is front-end technology, what user is able to interact. The other one is back-end technology, that is from server side, what user cannot interact with. And now specifically we are talking about front-end technology. In front-end technology, the first part is HTML, which is the structural part of a web page. To add the beauty to that web page, to that skeleton like a skin and clothes, CSS will come in picture. These two things are very clear. So if you are following and it is clear, please mention yes in the chat, so that I could be understanding whether you are able to follow or not. In chat section, if you have any doubts, you could mention in the chat section. So no worries. Yeah. And the next thing is JavaScript. So what is JavaScript? For example, we have learned about HTML and what you call CSS and all. Okay, what is JavaScript? Again, it is a programming language. It is a programming language where JavaScript is a scripting language and Python is a programming language. Here we use JavaScript for that. So what is the purpose of JavaScript? JavaScript is for dynamical functionality of a particular website. JavaScript will come in picture. For example, I will type here iPhone. It is showing iPhone 11, iPhone 14, iPhone 13, iPhone 14 plus, and whenever I click on iPhone 11, see all the iPhone 11 different categories are getting displayed here if you observe. So this is a dynamic process. Whenever I type something, within seconds there will be some language coming in picture, and that is extracting the data regarding iPhone 11, and that is getting displayed here in the front end. So this all run under the functioning of some code. Someone has written some code, someone has applied some code to this particular website, integrated with all HTML, CSS and this JavaScript, where we can able to see this iPhone suggestions and all. This is all dynamic process. This and all done by JavaScript. So in front end, till now we have understood about HTML, CSS and JavaScript. And one more other thing when we discuss about front end is Bootstrap. So what is Bootstrap? Bootstrap is like a open source platform. This is none other than a tool. For example, I am teaching you the web technology and web services and all. For this, I need a laptop, I need a chair, and I need a webcam. Likewise, to creating a website, to develop a website, to publish a website, to monitor a website, to maintain a website, there should be a particular platform. So here comes the picture, Bootstrap. This is an open source of platform, and the specifications of this platform is we can use on any browser, either on Internet Explorer, either on Chrome browser, either on Firefox, and it is like we can the customized part of this Bootstrap is you can use on mobiles, you can use on Windows laptops, we can use on iPhones, we can use on tablets, anywhere, any device, irrespective of device specification, we can use this Bootstrap. So these are all 4 things about front-end technologies. I think it is very clear about front-end technologies. Coming to back-end technologies. So coming to back-end roadmap, we will be discussing about PHP, Python, Node.js. These and all we can discuss. So these are all languages. Some of them are scripting languages and some of them are programming languages. So yeah, again coming to this thing. So what makes unique PHP is a scripting language which is particularly used for web development and web technology process. Coming to other programming languages like Python and Java and Node.js, these can be used other sides also for software product development, for software testing purposes, for software automation testing tools, and number of things those can be used. But PHP is specifically for web development. Okay, so this is the part about backend technologies, and there are a lot of servers there in the backend side. There are a lot of servers there. Why? Because I am opening again this Amazon websites. Whenever I click on iPhone, it is displaying only iPhone. Whenever I click on MI, it is displaying MI phones. Okay, but in the server side, there will be MI phones data, there will be iPhones data, there will be what you call Nokia phones data, there will be everything regarding phones, everything regarding phone specification from every mobile companies, from every part of the world. That complete data will be stored in the server side. But we want only the data regarding iPhone or MI phone. That particular data will be getting collected from the server through the dynamic programming language. So PHP and Python, Node.js, lot of things will be used for backend technology in the creation of backend roadmap. Is it clear? Again, we have clearly discussed about front-end technology and back-end technology. Now, we are going to discuss about one of the top concepts nowadays, that is cloud computing. So what is cloud computing? Coming to cloud computing, for example, I am very new to Bangalore. I want some space to live. Like I need a kind of accommodation. Okay. I need a kind of accommodation. I have to stay in Bangalore. I have only 10,000 rupees with me. I have only 10,000 rupees with me. Then, can I purchase a house or can I rent a house? Obviously, I can rent a house. For example, I will be in Bangalore for next 3 months only. I don't know how things will be changed. Then, whatever the house I purchased, I cannot take that house along with me to Hyderabad, right? So if I have rented that house, for 3 months I will pay that rent and I will be moving to Hyderabad. Again in Hyderabad, I will be taking some other house for rent. Am I clear? And if it is my own house, every year I have to paint the walls, I have to do the maintenance or not. Whenever it is rented house, owners will take care of the maintenance part and operations part and all. Likewise, cloud computing is also the same example what I have told regarding how house rents and owning the house. The same comes in picture in cloud computing. For example, I am starting a company. For that company, I require a lot of database. And coming to database, whatever we do, whatever the software technology we implement, whatever the software product we develop, whatever the web technology we what you call publish into the market or we deploy to the customers, end of the thing is user wants some data. User gives some inputs regarding the requirement of the data and user takes the data after the process of these all integrated servers, database and programming languages and UI, everything. This is all for data. This is all for data. So nowadays the IT sector has been very huge. Lot of companies have been what you call starting like anything. So the IT sector has been very vast and it is emerging like it's like wow, we can say. Then there is a need of lot of servers. There will be need of lot of databases. But for my company, I will be dealing with the students who are coming recently out of college. Then after providing them good knowledge, I want the data of the students who are willing to gain knowledge in technology. If I have the complete data regarding all engineering students, degree students, BCom, BSc, intermediate, MPC, BPC, if I want to collect all the data from all the students who are studying across the country, that will cost me a lot of the capital and the money I have to invest is more. I have to go to Bangalore, Hyderabad, everywhere I have to go. But only computer science students and some of the engineering graduate students and BSc computer students are ready to learn the technologies. If I go to civil engineer and mechanical engineer and if I go to business management graduate or hotel management graduate and I offer these things, that is not their cup of tea, right? Then what is the purpose? The purpose is I want the data of only the students who are willing to join in technical stuff, who are interested to join the courses regarding to technologies like Node.js, Java Script, PHP, Python, cloud computing, DevOps, so on, so whatever it may be. So if I get that particular data of the students who are into computer science background, the cost will be very reduced. Instead of going to all the colleges in the Bangalore, I will particularly go to the colleges who are having computer science students. Likewise, from the server, if we purchase that server, the server will be in lakhs and crores. In that server, just 2% of the data is only utilized for your company. Rest of 98% of the data will be wasted. That's why just take that 2% of the data from that server for rent. And that too, how many days that particular data is useful for your company. For example, day to day, there are a lot of technologies are coming into the market and lot of products, lot of developings are coming into the picture. So it is getting changed day to day. So today data is not useful maybe tomorrow. So that's why just take the rent of the data from the server that is utilized, that is required for this particular period of time. Okay, so that is the advantage of cloud computing. That is the just difference between rent and purchasing an apartment. So and maintenance and operation costs will be also handled by the owner. And in case if we purchase a server, if server is damaged, that complete loss should be bear by us. But whenever we rent a server, if the server is lost, that is owner side. Owner will bear those things and immediately they will provide the data from other servers according to the requirement what we have asked there, and according to the requirement and agreement we have done with them for giving their data from their servers to us. So cloud computing is nowadays is going very, very viral. and most of the companies are using cloud computing. For example, when I speak about cloud computing, definitely I have to say the name AWS, Amazon Web Services. Amazon Web Services is a cloud computing service which is handled by Amazon. They will provide cloud services, they will provide data server services to the companies whoever required those servers. For example, 80% of the servers and 80% of the data and cloud computing aspects are getting dealt nowadays by Amazon Web Services. So it is what you call it is one of the investments of Amazon. Likewise, Tata products, we have Tata Steels, TCS, Tata Consulting Services, and likewise, Amazon is also spreading its business in a wide range, like Amazon Web Services and Amazon Prime Videos and Amazon Shopping and all. Likewise, Amazon Web Services is one of the top cloud computing platforms nowadays in the world. So this is all about cloud computing. Now we will discuss about another topic called DevOps. What is DevOps? DevOps is like an integration part. That is an integration of both development and operations. The culture that has been implemented in the recent times of information technology is the integration and collaboration of development and operations. So, what comes under development? For example, I want to develop a product or I want to develop a website. First of all, I need a plan. For example, I want to develop an app that is travel related. People can purchase bus tickets, train tickets, flight tickets, movie tickets, entertainment, events tickets, everything they can purchase over there. For that, I want an app. I need a plan. So in that plan, we will be discussing the design part is so and so. The app should be like this. The app naming should be like this. The segments in the app should be like this. The settings of the app should be like this. The user interface and the graphic design of the app should be like this. The structural part and the beautification of the app should be so and so. These and all comes under planning. A team of people should be gathering, the developers and the business managers, they will be sitting together and they will talk to each other regarding this, the plan of action of a development of an app. The plan is over, the blueprint is there. Then what should we do? We will go for coding. We will write a code. We will write an algorithm. We will write a structured in terms of language, any language, whatever language we are comfortable for that particular development of the product, that is up to us. So we will write the codes, we will design the codes, we will implement those codes, we will build those codes. After writing of all these codes for that particular application, we will build this particular piece of code. We will be integrated with other code, and the next code will be integrated with the other code. After that, that will be a complete picture, that will be complete building. For example, whenever we are constructing a building, one block for hall, one block for kitchen, one block is for bedroom, one block is for so and so, one block is for bathroom. Likewise, we will draw a plan. Then after we will start executing like coding. Then after all the integrated part is called a building. Likewise, the pieces of codes will be collaborated and integrated, and it will be form a build case of a particular product. Okay, building is done. I mean, the product is ready. Then after, what should we do? We have to test that product. We have to test that product. Likewise, like a user, like a customer, we have to search for defects. We have to do trial and error method. We have to use that application. We have not like a developer, not like a tester. like a user who has already purchased that product. In that point of view, if you start testing that product, definitely we can identify one or two mistakes. Okay, testing is very much important. After deploying and after it is goes through the user, if they find defect and if they find any mistake, that is very bad to the company and very bad to the product. So that's why early testing and testing from our side should be very important, so that the best quality of the product will be getting reached to the customer or client. Is it clear? So testing is also done from our end. Testing is also done from our end. Yeah. Anyone from Dexterity team, can you please uh, keep attendance form in the chart so that our students will fill that attendance form. Yeah, students, I will be continuing. In meanwhile, one of our team members will be keeping attendance form in the chart. Please fill your details and please make sure you are getting attended to the stage section. Yeah, okay. Where are you now? Testing. Testing part is also very important. Then after, we have to deploy that product. We have to deploy that product. How we can deploy that product? So testing is done. Then we have to deploy that product. It will take some 1 or 2 days for deploying that app. Okay, deploying is done. Publishing is done. Then what? What we have to do? For example, the travel app I have designed. The travel app is already designed, that is deployed. Someday, customer has identified one problem in that, either in terms of technical stuff or in terms of user interface problem or graphical problem or any error. If they are able to find, immediately they will contact us, as we are the developers, as we are the owners of that particular product. They will call us, they will connect with us. Immediately, we should be ready to give them the best solution. For that, maintenance team will be there. So after the product is deployed, maintaining of the product is also taken care by us. Then after, operations in the sense, the app is designed or a web page or website is designed, that is deployed. If you don't operate on daily basis, someday the app or website would get crashed, or the maintenance will be reduced, the quality of the app may get reduced one day. In order to overcome all these problems, operations teams will also comes in picture. So this is all about DevOps. Simply, we can call it as the combination or integration of development and operations. It is called as DevOps. I think it is clear. And we will be covering one more topic here, UI and UX. So what is UI and UX? It is none other than user interface and user experience. Again, let me take the example of Amazon Prime or Flipkart. So whatever we are able to see here, it is completely user interface. For example, the font of Flipkart should be like this, Explore plus font should be like this, and there is a plus icon beside plus text. Login button should be like this, and the background of login button should be white and login text is in blue. See that mobiles are also displaying in very appropriate manner. For MI mobiles, the header is somewhat high in font, and the categories like sort by prices, newest first. These are in some low fonts. This and all comes under user interface or user experience. What user is experiencing here? What user is able to see here? What user is able to interact with this particular what you call website or web page and all. So user interface is nothing but the interaction, what user is able to interact or what user is able to experience. This all comes under UI and UX. Now, so I think the things are very clear. Let me what you call clarify once again. What is web technology? Web technology is nothing but the process or application which runs on internet, which runs over internet like World Wide Web. This is called websites, web pages, web applications. All comes under web, www.com. Development of these websites, publishing of these websites, creating of these websites, maintaining of these websites, implementing of these websites, monitoring of these websites, everything comes under web technology. Creating and building of a web service, it is called as development. That is web development. When we speak about web technology, two things will come into the picture: front-end technology and back-end technology. What user is able to interact is front-end technology. What user is not able to interact, what user cannot see, it is back-end technology. That is completely server side of the technology. When we speak about front-end technology, four things will come in picture: HTML, CSS, JavaScript, and Bootstrap. HTML is nothing but skeleton. CSS will come in picture to add beauty to the page of website. Likewise, HTML is just skeleton. We cannot see skeleton. We will get frightened. We will get afraid of skeleton. That will be no more attractive. There will be no beauty part for that. That's why cascading style sheets will come in picture. CSS will come in picture and add beauty to those particular sheets. And to run that application dynamically, to work that program dynamically, there should be a language, a scripting language should be coming in picture. That is, we use JavaScript. That we use is JavaScript for the dynamic running of a particular application. We use JavaScript for applying, for developing, for maintaining, for writing a code, for maintaining a code, for testing a code, for developing a code, for integrating a code, for building a project, for building a website. Definitely we need a platform. To be seated, definitely we need a floor or a chair. That's why the same way for these all things, there will be some framework will be there. For those framework to be run properly, there should be some platform, there should be some source. That source is Bootstrap. Bootstrap is an open source of platform and free source of platform, which is portable, which can be used on any browsers like Chrome browser, Internet Explorer, anywhere we can use. There is no what you call limits for that. We can use on mobiles, tablets, we can use on computers and all. So coming to the backend technology, that is all server side. So some programming languages will come in picture to get the user interacted with the data and all. The front-end technology and back-end technology just integrate with each other. They communicate on the basis of data. For that, PHP, Python, Node.js, different programming languages will be coming in picture. So we have learned about cloud computing, we have learned about DevOps, we have learned what is UI and UX and all. We have clearly discussed. Now I will give a brief knowledge regarding what is a website, web page, web application. Web application. Okay. Again, take me to the example of Flipkart. So Flipkart.com is obviously a website. Website is collection of different categories, collection of different data, collection of different properties. So whenever I click on t-shirts, in this particular page, in this particular segment, some t-shirts are getting displayed. So this is called as web page. If we go through Wikipedia, wikipedia.org is a website. I will click on English. This is a web page. The current page, which is displaying some of the information, this is called a web page. And what is web application? For example, here I can type flipkart.com. This website is getting displayed, and web pages are getting displayed with good user interface, and good user interaction is there, good properties and good settings are there. If I want to install this particular application, I can click download Flipkart application. I think in mobile also we will download everything in Play Store. Download Flipkart application. See here. So if you click on here, the Flipkart application will be automatically get downloaded. Okay. The Flipkart application will be automatically get downloaded, and so I think you are very clear about what is different between website, web application and web pages. The pages, the current pages and current information, what that website is or web app is displaying to us, that is called as web page. And the whole process of a particular application that is run over internet, that is called a website, and that particular application is specifically stored in our mobiles, or we specifically install in our mobiles or laptops, that is called as web application. For example, facebook.com we can go, that is a website, or we can install Facebook application in mobile or laptop, that is web application. And what is the difference between software product and web product? Again, a software product, for example, Microsoft Word, Microsoft PowerPoint, these and all software products. For example, I need to take a paint. This is paint. This is a software product. I have downloaded and I am using to teach you something regarding technologies. I am using this what you call paint. This is a software product. I have installed this paint once. This is there in my computer. This is there in my computer. After installing this, there is no need of any internet. For Microsoft Word also, you just open the application, you just write something, you save there and save as something regarding the particular document, whatever it is, based upon the requirement we will be saving. That is all fine. When it comes to web application, without internet, it won't run. A software product can run without internet. For example, MS Word, without internet also we can create a documents, we can write a documents. If you want to send those documents on email or WhatsApp, then definitely there should be internet. There should be web application should come in picture. That is the clear-cut difference between software product and web application. So I think today I have given brief knowledge regarding web technology, front-end web technology, front-end roadmaps, back-end technology, and back-end roadmaps. What are the different things involved in those? In those things? What is cloud computing? What is DevOps? What is UI and UX? So these many concepts we have discussed. What is programming language? What is Java Script and all? Apart from this, we have to learn framework. We have to learn one more concept called framework. So what is a framework? We all know .NET. .NET is a kind of uh, platform and a tool where it integrates a lot of sources. .NET is integrated with program from developer side and server from database management side and SQL queries, what you call sequential, SQL languages we have to extract, to retrieve, to delete data. We have SQL. These are all integratedly together called as a framework. It is called as .NET. And in this particular .NET framework, the programming language what we use is C#. Framework is nothing but a structural unit and a building part of a unit for a program to run, for a database to retrieve, add, modify, or uh, doing changes in that particular data, and a platform to maintain all these things, to run all these things, to deploy, to manage, to run, to execute all these things. A platform should be necessary. This and all comes together a framework. For .NET framework, C# is used. Whenever we speak about Python language, the framework is MongoDB. Okay. Likewise, there are different frameworks are also there. So in upcoming classes, we will be discussing clearly. Today we have discussed brief about what is HTML, and in upcoming classes we will clearly discussing about what HTML does, how HTML language works, how to write HTML script, how to apply cascading effects to that by using CSS, what is JavaScript, what is Node.js and all, what is PHP language, what is Python, and what is server side, what is cloud computing, and these are all things in detail we will be discussing in the upcoming days. For JavaScript, the main framework is Spring. So if you observe the people who are working for JavaScript, who are working under JavaScript technologies, definitely they will be having a good knowledge regarding Spring and all. Why? Because for Java, the framework is on all Spring. So again, yeah, this is all the technical stuff for today. I have given brief discussion. In upcoming 6 classes, we will be discussing more about JavaScript, Node.js, HTML, CSS, and everything. Please attend the classes continuously for the next 6 days, and our team will be sharing attendance form in the chart. Please complete your attendance. The people who have filled the attendance form are only able to join the next class. They are only eligible for the next classes. So please fill that attendance form. Our team will be sharing the attendance form link to you in the chart. So please fill. And for the more updates from our Dexterity company, and for the more bootcamp updates, for more internship updates, for more hiring updates, please subscribe to our channel where the streaming is happening, and you can mention your feedback in chat section also. So you can our team will be sharing you the attendance form. Please fill that attendance form. Please share your feedback regarding the session in the chat. And already our team has shared the attendance form. We will be giving some couple of minutes. If anyone hasn't filled the form, please try to fill that form so that you will be getting notification and you will be getting updates regarding the next coming session. The people who have attended today, please attend all the next 6 classes. That will be very useful to you. You are all people, or some of them, or few are students are about to pass out from the college, and some of them are waiting for the job opportunities. And this program will be very useful to you. And after this, the internship programs will be given. And again, I am mentioning 3 certificates will be given one from our company, one for your participation, and one for your outstanding performance in this bootcamp. That will be very useful to share to the HRs, to share to you the project managers in the companies and all. That will be very useful. That will add more credibility to your resume. That will enhance what you call that will enhance your potentiality in the resume. That certificates will be very useful. And we will be having the session tomorrow the same time. Join the session. Our team will be sharing you the link before the session gets started, and tomorrow we will cover subject in detail. Today it is just introductory part. Attend tomorrow sessions, and continuously 6 days will be happening. From today it will be 7 days, and today it is over. And next 6 days also we will be having sessions same time. And for more updates from our company regarding boot camps and internships programs and hiring programs, please subscribe to our YouTube channel, and make sure you will get notified every time if there is any update from our company. That will be very useful to you, so that you cannot miss any opportunity from our end. That will be useful to you. So hiring process is also getting started in future, and so we are getting tied up with lot of startup companies where you will do projects in real time with those people. That will be very useful if you keep continuing attending the sessions. So I think I am pretty much enough to complete the session. So I think everyone has filled the form, and please try to attend the session tomorrow same time.